How you guys doing?
Good.
Whew, it's fresh in here.
Mind if we come in here and ask some few questions?
You just want to ask a few questions?
We do.
What kind of questions you got?
Um,
We can help you here.
Any way we can help you with?
Oh,
or-
like complaint forms, first of all.
Okay, well, you want to come on in? Come on in, yeah. I don't know what you can record in there, but go ahead.
Awesome.
No, I hear you.
Yeah. Oh, you guys have a public restroom in here as well?
What?
A public restroom in here as well?
Yeah,
No
really,
public
man.
restroom?
How you doing?
Good.
Here. So, Chatanam, 005.
Awesome, thank you. Yours?
This is the DA's office lobby.
Hey, what's in here? Do y'all have like a janitor or something?
No, that's just the waiting room for victims and witnesses.
How you doing today? Yeah, you guys have a public restroom?
Grab that stuff for you?
I don't know.
No public restroom. That's weird.
Use coat and
Control 63.
It's like somebody-
There's one at the restaurant across the street.
Yes.
At the what?
There's one at the restaurant across the street.
Restaurant. Huh.
What do you guys do here?
Okay?
But you have to ask him if to use it.
Yeah. No, I like using them in like police stations and city buildings because they're really clean. They keep them clean, you know. We pay for that, so they keep it clean for us. Yeah. They keep it clean for us. That's why we pay taxes, right? Yeah. No, you're welcome. Because we pay you your salary, right? So that dinner on your table, that comes from our money.
Huh?
My name's Denise Bell.
No, you're welcome.
Thank you.
How you doing, sir?
Yeah, this is the lobby. He basically said he can't throw anything away in here. So if you
Motherfucker,
want
N2 Film.
I told him to leave my water next to somebody's soda. I'm gonna come back tomorrow see if it's still here. You feel
Oh, they
me?
can't throw nothing away.
He said they not even gonna throw the napkin away because people come back for the napkin. So we gonna let him slide.
That's
Gonna
what's
let him
up, man.
live.
Shit, I'm right here with motherfucking N2
Yeah,
Film, man.
that
Finally,
Hello.
finally got together.
You know, my boy said want to wear niggas skate.
This is all public right down here too?
Attorney or the, Sure.
All the way up until that door?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, I really appreciate your kind attitude.
that was nice.
I really appreciate your kind attitude as well, man. Thumbs up to this guy.
Even though it's a front, you acting cool to it.
Okay.
Because normally, you know how you be doing it game, you don't really be this cordial, you know?
No, I mean for Jesse in general.
Oh, is this you?
Okay. Yeah, I'm just taking my lunch.
Oh, little Caesar salad, chicken Caesar
try
salad.
to Be healthy, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How you being healthy? That look like iceberg lettuce, which is acidic. That's a misconception. You know, people try to eat healthy and do this shit, but you're eating acidic hybrid foods. You know what I mean?
Alright, well, since you guys have a waiting area.
And what you got on there? Some ranch? What's in that there?
Just like some ranch and some ranch and stuff.
It is a public
Caesar
building.
salad.
Well, no, they get to use bathroom when they need to use it. So, yeah. Just, there's no place to put restrooms in.
Can we use the bathroom?
No, only if you want, or if you have business there.
Well, just being here is business. Asking questions is business.
Well, yeah, I understand,
itself,
but
yeah.
It's a secured building and. Can I take a look at it?
What's funny is that
So you guys do actually have a public restroom. I've been lied to.
No, not public bathroom.
Public
It's
restroom.
only for if you have business here.
Well, sir, the reason we're here is because we have business here.
We're doing this
A
whole
little
building.
later on, you come in here for some, somebody for some business.
What time is a better time than now?
No, I'm just saying.
Like on a Saturday at midnight?
Yeah.
You're silly. You're
I
silly.
think it's that patch of hair missing right there.
You're silly, sir.
I'd be hella mad if only my hair grew on the side like that, boy. Better slap a hat on. They'll give y'all, where your sheriff hat? Ain't y'all gotta wear a hat?
Oh, if you want to.
Only if you want to, you ain't tripping. You like, fuck it, let it go.
You know, when you're talking to the public, you should actually stand at attention.
Okay.
That'd be more respectable.
Yeah.
You look like a lazy security guard right now.
Yeah, exactly. It's like,
You got your big bag of snacks up there. You feel me? Just looking sloppy, bro. You need a janitor uniform on. I ain't gonna lie. We finna get up out of here because you ain't no shit.
but next time I'd appreciate if you guys didn't lie about the restroom. You know, that's not right. You know it. You know it. Shame on you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good.
My wife thinks so too.
Let's, What job do you do here?
What is your name?
Well, I asked you a question first, and then you
Okay,
can-
my name's Denise Phillips. I am an employee here.
My name is Upstanding Citizen.
Okay.
So from what I understand, these guys do say that if we actually have official business here, there are restrooms that we can use.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. Well, just being here and asking questions is
Sure.
actual official business, and I need to
Okay,
use the restroom.
that's cool. You can ask questions.
So that's my official business. May I use the
No,
restroom
we're
now?
not gonna let you use the restrooms.
Really?
There are restrooms across the way.
At a
And
public
you can
restaurant?
try to the sheriff's
But-
department.
but
Is the sheriff's
ex-
department
but-
today?
but
Do
ma'am-
they let you use the restrooms there at
But
public?
ma'am, I pay taxes for this building.
Okay. Okay.
So
if you
am I
want-
not a citizen of the United States of America?
I don't know if you are a
I
citizen.
am. I pay
don't know.
taxes.
Okay.
So we pay for this
You
building.
can
I should
go
be able to use the
I was
the
actually
sheriff's
pretty rude of
department.
you right now.
public
to say that.
lavatory.
Okay.
You know that?
I'm
Denise,
sorry.
don't
That
act
was
like
rude
that.
of you to say that right
Say
now.
what?
You don't know if he's a citizen or
Okay.
not.
Come on. Let
What the
her
hell's
walk.
wrong with you?
Shame on you, lady.
You got a lot of aggression in your voice, Auntie.
We got her.
Aggression. You got her?
You're
Okay.
dismissed.
I
Kick
like her
rocks,
little
lady.
bob cut though. That's kind of cute.
I don't know if you're a citizen.
I ain't gonna lie. Her little bob was cute. Huh? You feeling it?
I
What's
don't
up,
know
buddy?
if you're a citizen. Can I get your ID?
What was your name, sir? Sir, what was your name?
Why you staring at my young bull like that though?
Sir, are you mute?
Why are you giving me the death stare?
My name's Denise Phillips.
We already heard you, Auntie. We got your name on the record.
She wants to be famous.
You asking questions, you answering questions we need to ask you. Your name. We asking young bull right here though. What's his issue though?
She's full of hate.
United States citizen?
We're just asking questions, pal.
I'm sorry, can you speak up, please?
Are you a United States citizen?
Yes.
I thought he said it about
Can I see some ID?
No. Attorney General, arrested.
I'll take you.
Attorney General arrest warrant? They should arrest every single one of these people working in there for not letting me use the restroom.
Yeah, if you're not here for official business, you can't use the restroom.
Don't try to get your goon to do it. Or are you showing him a picture of me?
You too, sir.
One guy.
Is there a time limit or are y'all ready for us to leave?
Tonight at dinner, sir, remember that I paid for your dinner, okay? You're welcome.
Is she working?
Would you like to?
They probably still asking questions.
You should really save the cell phone for lunch.
I'm just saying, is it,
Ask away.
are we asking to, do y'all want us to leave?
Ask away. If you got a question, I'll see if I can help. If I can,
Are we any type of violation or anything like that?
for what?
I don't know, y'all know how to flip it and we asked them to leave and this and that. I was
No
gonna
one's
make
asked
sure,
us to
though.
leave yet.
Come on through.
I'm in the public right now. I'm at work right now. I did not want to be here.
Are you here for discovery?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, so is there a time limit on the discovery? Hey, excuse me, Denise.
What?
Is there a time limit on picking up the discovery? Can you pick up the discovery after a case is over?
I don't know.
Actually, that's all we got is, you know. Saying that's kind of like little, you're getting like kind of bad energy or something though. You're at work, but you have like a problem with being at work. You need to clock out and go home. That's the thing.
Yeah.
I guess just to kick back, huh?
Some days it is, some days not.
And when did y'all put that fence up?
A year ago,
A year ago? And because what? So what happened?
I wasn't here at that time.
I'm pretty sure you got the drop though.
I couldn't answer that question. I don't know.
Bro, your boss about to get everything away, bro. I can see what you thinking, bro. Let me stop. I got your girl in here, Denise. You in here with the little bob cut on you.
Hello.
How you doing today?
can't hear you.
You have an attorney?
I have to have an attorney to pick up discovery?
Why is that? That's not true.
I have to bring my attorney here, or I just have to have an
It's
attorney?
like, I wonder if it's possible. If,
What was that?
How you doing, boys?
how's it
Do I
going?
have to
Alright.
bring my attorney
How
here,
you
or
doing,
do I
boys?
just have to have an attorney?
No, you have, no, you can pick, the attorney can come and pick it up, they have to come here.
Okay, ma'am, are you an attorney?
They have to be your attorney though.
Excuse me, ma'am, are you an attorney?
I am, all of those things.
I doubt it. I doubt it. How you doing, ma'am?
Hi, ladies. I'm over here.
Kangaroo pouch on purpose. Ooh.
What's in here?
Officers.
Huh?
Officers.
Employees' offices?